सेक्टर 137 नोएडा की इस सोसाइटी में एक पॉजिटिव कोरोना का केस निकलने के बाद जिलाधिकारी महोदय के आदेशानुसार आज दोपहर 2 बजे से 26 तारीख की सुबह 10 बजे तक इस सोसाइटी को टोटल लॉकडाउन किया गया है, जिसमें किसी को भी यहाँ से न बाहर जाने की अनुमति है और न बाहर से अंदर आने की। जिसमें किसी को भी यहाँ से न बाहर जाने की अनुमति है और न बाहर से अंदर आने की। इसके अलावा हमारी स्वास्थ्य विभाग की टीम द्वारा
एवं जिला प्रशासन की टीमें कोरोना वायरस के रोकथाम के प्रयास कर रही है।
As you can see behind me, these are people from the Noida Chief Medical Officer's office, and these people are going from tower to tower, from flat to flat, screening people, asking them if they have any foreign travel history or if they are feeling unwell at this point of time.
परिवार में कितने सदस्य, इसे लगा लिया करो, आपको भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी, हमें भी नहीं होगी, है ना? गेट लगा लेते हैं। हाँ, कितने सदस्य होंगे?
मैं और मेरी वाइफ है, 2 बच्चे हैं।
अच्छा, किसी को खांसी जुकाम बुखार
नहीं,
14 दिन के अंदर कोई विदेशी यात्रा तो नहीं की?
नहीं।
बस।
Security guards are only also reading the newspaper, where the news is, of course, of our society and how a positive case has been found here. So I'll show you what the newspaper says. Of course, this is the photograph which says that a positive case has been found in our society, and of course there's a photograph of our society also. Till last evening they were allowing one person from each household to go out and buy some groceries, but then the people didn't follow the rules properly. So then at night Uttar Pradesh police came, the senior officials came, and they have completely sealed the gate. As you can see below is the main gate of our society, and the milkman has come, but he is not being allowed inside the society. He is delivering the milk just at the society gate. People are coming and collecting their essential items from the main gate. They are not allowed to go out. So how difficult are you finding it? Are essentials at home?
Everything is intact.
Okay. You have children at home?
Yeah.
बाहर में शॉप है ना,
हाँ।
ये सामने जो शॉप है इसका नंबर है, ये गेट पे लाके डिलीवर करेगा सामान, यहीं से रिसीव करके ले जाएंगे।
यार बच्चों के लिए आप बता रहे कि दूध प्रोवाइड करा देंगे क्या? चलो यार ठीक है, बच्चे छोटे हैं इसलिए मैंने कहा दूध चाहिए यार, एसेंशियल एकदम। पहले ये था कि हम सुबह 10 बजे तक बाहर जाके अपना दूध और जो रोज़मर्रा की चीज़ें हैं वो लेके आ पाएंगे, बट अभी एकदम से ये अनप्लान्ड है, तो बच्चों के लिए दूध भी नहीं है। स्ट्रगलिंग कि अब कोई है भी नहीं यहाँ पे कि दूध ला दे, और दुकानदार जो भी शॉपकीपर है वो कह रहा है कि मेरे पास भी कोई मैन फोर्स नहीं है, तो आपको किसी को भेजना पड़ेगा। टेकिंग अ हेल्प ऑफ गार्ड इफ़ कि उसे रिक्वेस्ट करके यार एक हेल्प कर दो, बच्चे के लिए दूध चाहिए यार, और वो उसका लड़का चला गया, तो ये जितने का दूध आता है ना करना है कितने।
The Noida authority is also at least making sure that the fumigation of all the floors of all the building is being done regularly. And here you can see the personnel from Noida authority has come to do the fumigation. कहाँ से आए थे आप लोग? Authority से? Noida authority से, हाँ. So he has come from Noida authority to do the fumigation. You are not allowed to step out of your homes, you know. So what I'm doing, I'm sitting at home, I'm working. Work from home is something new which I haven't done earlier, but things are working out okay. And we need to step out only if it's absolutely necessary. But the main gate of the society is sealed, and hopefully tomorrow they will open the gates and no more positive cases come out from our society. That's the peril of living in a neighborhood, in a society from where positive cases have been found of coronavirus. What really happens during a complete sealing? So you can see is my neighbor's son, and he's cycling all alone because even the children, they are not allowed to play with each other. Even they have to maintain the social distancing. खेलने नहीं जा रहे हो? क्यों नहीं जा रहे हो?
क्योंकि ये कोरोना वायरस है इसीलिए।
ओ कोरोना वायरस से बीमार हो जाओगे ना।
और इसीलिए मैं साइकिल कभी कभी चला देता हूँ।
और अकेले खेलते हो ना आजकल? हाँ, सी, so Vihan here is saying that he plays alone, even he knows that how careful one needs to be. So it's another night, and through the day we have hardly stepped out of our homes, and you can see behind me that the police sirens are on. The police is doing their patrolling. There's a village just next to our society, and the police is going around to ensure that people are unnecessarily not out of their homes. Any normal morning, this would be teeming with people. There would be joggers, there would be runners, there would be kids playing. But today, you can see all around, it's completely empty. And this is a society of almost 2,000 flats. So what's here right now is just a lone dog who seems to be very happy. Yeah, that's a happy dog. I am sort of genetically predisposed to high blood pressure, so I have been advised to maintain a very healthy and active lifestyle. For that, I need to regularly go out for a jog or exercise or go to the gym. But now, since that has stopped, so I have come out with an interesting solution. So this is the ground floor of my society, and these are the stairs. I am gonna take these stairs and climb up to my apartment on the 20th floor, and that's how I'm going to try and make up for my lost workout schedule. I must say here that I think I'm very comfortable running 5 kilometers. I can even stretch it to 10 kilometers, but climbing is 20 floors and I'm trying to do it twice. It's a tough job. I think I've just managed to reach the 10th floor. Yeah, here it is. That is it. This is the 10th floor. I have to climb up 10 more floors. Let's see how it goes. This is the 20th floor. I'm done for today. तो यहाँ पे जो ये सील थी सोसाइटी, ये सीलिंग अब उठा ली गई है?
जी सर, आज 10 बजे से उठा लिया गया।
The ceiling of our society is finally over, but actually there is not much of a difference because there is a countrywide lockdown outside.
सीलिंग के बाद नहीं सर, उतनी स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है सर। जो अंदर से बाहर जा रहे हैं उनकी पूछताछ हो रही है, किस लिए जा रहे हैं उनका सर पेपर देखा जा रहा है, मेडिकल के लिए दवा लेने ले जा रहे हैं या किस काम से जा रहे हैं, एंड एंट्री हो रही है रजिस्टर में। उसके बाद हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, फिर अंदर आ रहे हैं, उनकी आउट हो रही है एंट्री।
अंदर आते हुए आप टेम्परेचर वगैरह भी चेक कर रहे हैं?
टेम्परेचर चेक करते हैं, उसके बाद सर सेटनाइजर देते हैं। जो नहीं मानते सर, पुलिस वाले बाहर बैठे उनको बुलाते हैं, उनसे बात करवाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर बाहर आदेश देते हैं, जाते हैं, नहीं आने देते सर।
It's only the ceiling that has been removed, and even now people who need to step out, they will be only allowed to go out of the society if they have to buy essentials or medicines. And 2 days back it was only a little different that we couldn't just step out of the gate. So there's actually not much of a difference.